Look at where we are. Corsica, France. Look at that. Look at them go. Look at the boat. Whoosh. Wow, morning, Jim. Pretty. Oh, that's me. Morning, Jim.
Good morning.
Where are we?
We're in Corsica, France.
Yeah. So pretty.
It is.
Okay. Well, we have an excursion plan. Today we have Corsica, France. Destination highlights, panoramic, and walking tour. Tour involves 1.5 hours of walking over uneven pavement and grounds. Generally, there are no public toilets in Corsica. So that means you have to buy water in order to use a bathroom somewhere, buy a drink, and away we go.
Corsica.
Another bus.
Another bus.
Thank you for running up those stairs to get my glasses.
You're welcome.
Yeah, forgot my sunglasses. Now I got them. Jim's my hero.
I tried.
Told you we had enough time though.
Yeah, I know.
And we'll still be sitting here for a while. Sitting and waiting.
Marble. So you begin with fake marble. This is a statue of Napoleon. As I should say, at the beginning of the 20th century.
We're gonna get that car. He did good.
I did.
He read books about history because he was mad about history. When he went on war, he had 3 libraries. His first one with his own books about history.
It's pretty out there.
It is.
It's really pretty.
Like a psoriasis or an eczema. Okay, Adia. Okay. It was so expensive. I couldn't drink on Fridays. You've got Mojito. Look at that.
How rewarding.
This is nice. I understand. I know a classical forest, you know. But not.
Bathroom break. We gotta go towards the water though, Jim.
I know, we're going to the water.
Gotta go to the water.
That way you can put your feet in the water.
Gotta go to the water.
Gotta put your feet in.
Actually, I don't even have to take my shoes off for that.
I have to. Mine are fake leather.
Mine are water slash hiking slash. You're not gonna want to put your feet in.
I know, because I didn't wear the right shoes. I'll find Michael a rock.
Oh, I'm in the water.
Look at the ceiling.
It's really cold.
Yeah.
Now we have like little stones in this one. This one doesn't like.
I have little stones.
I have to say I didn't run in the water.
Wee.
Wee.
No one knows. I don't say I went in the water.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
It's refreshing cold.
Oh. I don't know.
Ooh, okay.
Not a bad stop.
You know, you see, it used to be a hotel and I became
It's a cool old building.
You can see, we've got, Corsica is a slope. It's like an iceberg, you know, so we've got a lot of water.
They're all pots.
Ratatouille. Well, I think we're gonna blow this excursion. When we start walking, the first door we see, we're gonna go.
And your ship is just
Bye-bye.
behind. Oh, you can't see your ship.
As soon as I know which way to the ship.
I know, I haven't seen the ship yet.
But when we start the walking tour, it's close to the ship. It's just going to be downhill, I'm pretty
You see the
sure.
ship just behind. You can understand.
Yeah.
You want to go back to the ship?
No, we're going to go out on our own.
Okay.
I'm blowing this tour and saying goodbye. We're going to get some food for lunch when lunchtime arrives. And we're going to go buy Jim everything he wants.
Oh, did you know that we invented the race of animals?
I'm going to buy him everything. He wants everything. I'm going to buy him everything
Did you know
today.
that?
He's going to be king of the day.
Yeah. Who was born in Corsica? You can see it is not a Gothic style. It is a Baroque style, which is the
Jim's
Italian.
King Day. We're gonna ditch that crowd.
We're gonna make our own history.
We're gonna
today.
make our own little tour now.
Own history.
Are we ready to leave our tour? Or you want to wait and see what she takes us next?
It's up to you. I'm fine either way.
I don't know.
She doesn't seem that impressive.
She kind of wanted us to leave. She was like, "Hey."
The ship's that way.
She's like, "The ship's down that way. You can go that way if you want to. Don't worry if you
Don't
lose
worry.
me."
You can go on the bus, but the bus is gone now, so it's on
yeah.
you if you don't follow me.
Follow me if you want to live.
Maybe.
So today I'm gonna get Jim everything he wants in all the stores and
I
everything.
sense that's a trap.
This is not a trap. We're
It
gonna go
just
get
doesn't
pizza.
feel
I saw
right.
pizza.
Pizza.
We're gonna go get pizza. Pizza.
Maybe it's Italian, maybe it's French,
Oh,
maybe it's
it's you.
Spanish.
It's Italian. That's it. We're in France, but it's Italian influences.
But maybe it's Spanish. Who knows?
I don't know.
I don't know. She scrambled my whole history.
I don't know.
Well,
We ripped off our tags. We are not on this tour no more. We escaped. We escaped. Let's run.
yeah. Well, let's go get some pizza.
It's too early for lunch, Jim.
It's 10 o'clock.
It's 11.
It's lunchtime somewhere.
It's not lunchtime here. No, it wasn't.
Oh, okay.
We found this Saturday and there's a market going on.
Oh.
So it's like a flea market.
Yeah.
Michael would love this.
Yeah.
Michael, oh, I like that. Ooh, ooh. That lamp would go so good. So cool. We? We? How about that, Jen?
Here in the middle,
Mm-hmm.
it'd be like New Orleans.
Oh, yeah, maybe. It's nice. You like it? It's not so hot right now either.
Not yet. Very nice.
Napoleon again.
Yep.
See in the middle?
That way.
I love Napoleon. He's so cute.
More
Squish his little
memory.
cheeks.
Over the road where we came in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. So beautiful.
It's a lot better view than on the bus.
Uh-huh.
It's a good view.
It's a nice view. It's beautiful
nice
here. Say cheese. Today's Jim Day. I'm going to give him everything he wants. I have
Why?
€100 in my wallet. It's all his to buy whatever he wants. Because that's the kind of wife I am. Maybe he'll reciprocate one day. You're hungry though, aren't you? You only had fruit for breakfast.
I'm just,
You didn't eat enough to hold you.
I'm good.
Okay. Well, we're gonna walk around a little. It's a little too early for lunch.
A little bit.
So-
It's only, it's almost 11, I
It's
think.
a little past 11 a.m. And I think what the lady said in French was, "We are not open until noon."
Yeah.
So I was like, "We." So I
Right.
think that's what she said.
Right.
So
We're just gonna wander around.
okay, we'll do that and have fun.
Yeah.
We ditched that tour was okay, but it wasn't worth. No.
No.
Yeah, I don't think it was worth the money. But tomorrow we have Nice, and we're going to do it on our own
Yes.
because we're kind of getting bored of the excursions provided
Right.
that we bought. So we can do it cheaper and
Yep.
more fun. Michael would like a
I know, look, they have records.
Michael would like a record.
Right? So Valerie, what do you think?
It's an easy walk. I found my store.
Yeah, it's Valerie. You're pirated. No smoke.
Jim can't have candy. I did tell him he could have anything he wanted today, but candy.
And no diabetes. So.
Let's so she can have a charcuterie board.
Oh, that's a nice one. Huh. Very interesting. Salami.
Wish I could take a plant home.
Yeah, I don't think it would make it. You can look. Oh, here we are. We're having a seat.
No.
And
Right outside of port. I don't have high hopes for this place. Water. Okay, thank you.
okay. Oh, look at that. I got chips.
Hot.
Hot.
That looks good.
It does look good.
Oh, what is that?
That is, look at the burger.
I took a little bite when you weren't looking.
I saw it.
Good. Mine is actually, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. Did you like your food?
Yeah, I thought it was really good burger.
I was surprisingly happy. So, I guess we'll get a little more beer maybe.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Jim's a king day. What'd you get?
I got another beer.
And a t-shirt and a burger.
A burger. And,
Tell you what, when Val is a queen day, it's gonna hurt financially.
break the bank.
No, I never break the bank actually.
No. Look at this painting mural.
I know, I noticed there's a lot of that.
A lot of painting
Well,
on the walls, yeah.
our ship.
Oh, shit.
I'm really glad we ditched
The tour.
Yeah,
We made a day of it.
we made a little extra day of it.
It was very good. Fig tree. Just growing out of the wall.
Is it?
Yeah, fig tree.
Oh yeah. Wonder how my fig tree is doing.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. A lot of cool markets.
Uh-huh.
We had our beers and we had lunch,
It was actually a surprise. I wasn't expecting it to be good.
right?
But it was like the quinoa, this tuna, chickpeas. It was a
Yeah.
powerhouse of yummy proteins and yummy stuff.
Yeah. I had a burger. See? It is.
I understand, but that's all you've been eating.
I know, it is gym day though.
When you get home and you can't walk because you're too fat, then I'm going to just tell you it's because everything you ate while you were on board.
But when in Rome, wait, no, we're not in Rome.
Charcuterie.
A whole salami. So if you're coming from the market, little market area, you come straight down to where the boats are, and you can see the big ship.
Just follow the big ship.
And there's an opening to security.
They'll let you in.
Hopefully.
That or Jim's going to be sitting there at security eating a bunch of olives before we go.
Oh yeah.
Back to port.
We made it.
We're live. I wouldn't recommend doing a excursion in Corsica. I would just go to a beach, walk around. It's easy. Just get.
Yep.
Don't waste your money.